So I posted my last video that we made cabbage, and I told you guys that I went to visit my friend Brittany that just put to bed, and we actually made 2 videos. So she made me make these 2 videos. The other one with cabbage and this one with okra. So if you're craving okra and you don't know how to make it, or you know how to make it in another way but you want Egusi Okra, I want you to join me. Let's make this delicious recipe like ASAP. This video is very short and you will learn how to make your own okra at home as fast as it can take. So the ingredients we'll be using is cow legs, okra, dry fish and some strings. We are going to be using some crayfish, some chili pepper, egusi, red oil, and some Maggi, you guys, with some salt. So I start by boiling my cow legs first. It's usually also called trotters. So I add some red oil. Then I put some dry fish to let it cook again for like 5 minutes. Then I came in to put my egusi. So I already blended my egusi and then add some water and just make sure it's not too liquid so that they can still be clotted while you cook it, right? So yeah, so this is me putting it in the hot already cooked water. So now I let it cook for like 10 minutes, and I have to like just try to separate it a little so that it's not too big and it's not too small. And there I just knew that it was time for me to just add some crayfish, some Maggi, and some little salt, because remember we made this already cook the cow legs, so we put some salt there. So I didn't want us putting a lot of salt anymore, so I just put a little salt. So now I'm putting some chili, and yeah, I just stir everything until it was well incorporated. I taste and I was sure that it was okay. So you have to taste your spices to make sure everything is going well before you put the okra, because after putting your okra you're not allowed to put any other thing. Cook for 7 minutes and your recipe is ready. Bye. See you in my next video. Like, share and subscribe.